This is how I use the Akai MPC Live inside Ableton Live 12. It's mad live. Let's get into it.
Hey yo, chills, man.
All right, so I'm gonna grab this camera so y'all can see the setup. All right, so listen. I got the Akai MPC Live right here. I got the outs, the main outs, routed into my Focusrite 18i20. Okay, so since this is also playing through loopback, because I have loopback, I don't have to monitor it through Ableton. Because if I do, I'll show you what happens if I monitor it through Ableton and through my audio interface. And it's not gonna be enjoyable for y'all. So I'm gonna hit this once. Yeah, we don't want that. I'm gonna play this as an instrument. At first, I'm gonna practice with the metronome. I feel like it's a little too slow. I'm gonna do 72. So I'm gonna record over this. We got this. That's a good loop right there. So I'm gonna just take this. You know what? I'm gonna snap these to the grid. So I'm not gonna consolidate it. Show. We got that there. I'm gonna just see this transient right here. That's supposed to be on the one like that. And that looks good. This right here, I know. Roll this up a little bit. That's supposed to fall there. Yep, here. That transient goes there. And this sample itself, right, it's kind of low. Show, I'm turning the gain up on it. There we go. I'm gonna turn it down because that's gonna be louder. You know what I'm saying? But I do want to add another part. Again, raise the gain up on this. I'm gonna artificially add some vinyl effect. I'm gonna use RC20. I'll start with a preset. Okay. Then I'm gonna bring the magnitude down. I want this vinyl effect to be engraved into it, so I'm gonna freeze and flatten it. Delete all this tail end that we don't need. Now I want to because I did pitch it up inside the Akai, but I think I want to pitch it up some more. So I'm on warp. It's on beat. I don't want beat. I'm gonna try repitch, and I'm gonna up the tempo, and I'm gonna loop it while I'm doing this. Make it slower, so I'm gonna hit ×2. So when I turn the BPM up, it's not going that crazy, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Gotta do the same with that. Consolidate this whole section together. Probably should have did this before. And of course, found out what key we're in. So key detector by waves. We got A major. Come up here, switch this to A major. Just to be clear, up here, when you switch it to A major, it's not changing any of the keys inside Ableton Live. When it's up there, it helps you remember what key you're in. If I pull up a MIDI region right here, see where it says highlight scale, and right here it says A major. This is why I switch it to A major. So I'm gonna delete that for now because I want to do some more stuff to the sample. So I'm gonna add an EQ on here, or I'm gonna roll off the low end. I'm gonna roll off some of the high end too. I want to even out these peaks, so I'm gonna add a compressor. I'll use the stock compressor. I'm gonna cheat, hit auto, bring that down. Always Command S. Try Hypha. I like what it's doing, but I don't necessarily like how piercing it is. I'm gonna try this free plugin. It's called Pancake, and it's like gonna automatically pan it back and forth. It's pretty dope. So I'm gonna solo it. That might be the play. Maybe not so aggressive. Yeah. Let's add some more texture to this. It's real subtle, but I'm gonna keep it. You know what? I am gonna add another effect. I'm gonna add this Origin Vintage plugin by Somatics. Somatics, they be killing it, man. This big knob is an EQ essentially, and I'm just gonna cut out some of the high end. Less movement, because I got the panning going back and forth, so I don't really need movement from it. More saturation. Okay. I like that, but now I'm gonna add just like a regular basic EQ, because there's some specific frequencies that I want to get rid of. You see that frequency that's just jumping up right there? I don't like that. So I'm gonna turn that down, but I'm gonna make it a dynamic EQ. I'll raise that back up. While I'm here, I'm gonna just roll off some more. Just think I'm gonna roll off some high frequencies too. One more thing to this, I'm gonna add a compressor. Yep, satisfied with that. And I think I'm gonna add a delay to it too. Let's try that. Make that feedback longer. Throw that EQ on there. I'm gonna fade, not repitch. Make it ping pong to make it more exciting. The delay itself is kind of low. So I'm gonna add a compressor on the delay. I'm gonna use a stock one. Now I'm gonna add an EQ on this delay. This, I'm not gonna use a dynamic. I'm just gonna EQ it. That too. It's kind of calming a little bit. I'm like ready to meditate right now. It's one of these things that I want people to feel it, not necessarily hear it. You know what I mean? So go down an octave, too high, bruh. And I was hitting the wrong key. And I'm gonna humanize it a little bit. Boom. The 808 is gonna be a sub bass. So anything under 60 hertz, we don't need. Only thing we want to be under 60 hertz is the 808. That's it. The bass is gonna sound a little thinner, which is fine. We do want it to sound a little bit thinner. right, it's 808 time, baby. We're gonna be using Sublab XL. Open up new. I know I want pretty much no sustain, a good amount of decay. Probably shorter than that. Yeah, the more I think about this, the more the 808s just have to be real simple. I'm gonna lower the attack on the 808s. I'm adding a square wave to the 808, even though it's supposed to be hitting sub frequencies. I do want it to be heard on, like, you know what I'm saying, like a cell phone or something, so. I'm gonna add another free plugin right here. We're gonna see how dope this sounds. We're gonna half time it. It's called Deja Vu. Okay. I don't want this to happen during the whole thing, of course. So I'm gonna add some automation. And I'm gonna have it come back off here. Yeah, the more I hear the 808s, the less I like them. I think they're happening too often.
Hey, yo, chills, man. Hey, yo, chills, man.